Hello everybody, my name is Randy Suarez Ramos and today I'm going to talking about abolition of slavery in the U.S.A. 1963. Well, slavery has been around all throughout history, presumably dating back to the advent of agriculture. In the first instance, we must to know that is a slavery. Is a social and economic system where in which the people are free and property and so both are forced to work on performance center. Thus, both I want to focus on a specific moment in this history that is most important, the good person, the eradicating of this. Well, but you should to know what happened during the event. This is a most great chapter in the history. The country was founded by British settlers who came to east of the country in the 19th century. Already the slavery was allowed in the 16 British colonies. In the United States, black slaves were both to work mainly in agriculture, planting of rice, tobacco, accounts, which would become an important product, but they were not to first decline in salvage on the American continent. Empires such as Spanish, Portuguese have already done before. The salvage that came to country from Africa were violently captured and transported to American continent. Salvage ships many lost their life on the way due to hump and descend the spring and ship. Africans traveled in the crown as if they were merchants. Well, what happened during this event? Well, the division between salvation and abolition became more intense. In 1960, Abraham Lincoln of Republican Party won the election. Republicans supported to prohibit of slavery in all territory of the United States. In 1961, the American Civil War broke out. The United States was divided into different regions, and southern states which were in favor of slavery united to form the Conference state. They want to become independent from the rest, who were increasingly opposed to slavery and from their own country. The North states were united to front the front unit. They won in 1965. Well, why is the event considered an important part of the history? Well, in 1865, the 13th Amendment, the United States Constitution, was passed, officially abolishing slavery. Shortly after, number 14 was approved, which in principle warranted constitutional rights to every American citizen, including slavery, and number 15, which guaranteed the right to vote for system meant, regardless of their race. Well, how would the world be different if the event hadn't occurred? Well, assuming the abolition of slavery had never happened, in some states, and specifically in the South, the Jim Crow laws would still be in force, maintain segregation between black and whites, while moral was separate but equal. But in a practice, it was a way discriminating against black population, government positions, and important jobs were they reserved for whites. Us black were wrong to problem voting and could not mix with whites and had no rights and which in their principle guaranteed constitutional right to every American citizen, including slavery, and number 15 which wanted to right to vote for citizens, men, regardless and their race. That is my amount.